Alright, so for this built-in version, one thing that I want to incorporate that I used in my modular build is this cabinet. This cabinet worked very well, and it already has drawers and storage in it, so there's no point in me building new drawers when I got really good ones, sturdy metal ones that I could use. Alright, that was the phone falling down. But anyways, I'm going to incorporate this drawer system, and I'm going to build the table, the countertop right around this, and build a facade around this drawer so it looks less metal and a little bit more wood. So first what I did is I put up this sideboard, and that's going to hold this cabinet in. See, I have a 2x4 there also, so it keeps it from sliding. And once the whole frame is in, it's going to be very sturdy, and I won't have to use straps or anything like I had to in the modular build. So what I'm doing is I'm building up these partitions around my cabinets and the refrigerator. So I'm building up all these supports around the frame, kind of working backwards. Instead of building the frame and then everything around, put everything in, I'm putting everything in and then framing everything around it. And the idea is that this would be my closet area. Alright, here's the progress on the framing that I did. Take a look around to the front, back side. So now I'm going to continue to add more framing around, and that framing is going to provide the structural strength of this cabinet. Okay, so what I want to do here is I want to make some shelves that would fit my poo potty. So you could look up in the link ahead on top if you haven't seen that. I'm gonna make some shelves over here. Over here I'm gonna make a closet, a little closet, and a little slot for my guitar. Alright, so that's what it's looking like. I put in the dividers, and you can see the potty thing is sitting there real nice and snug. The only problem is my guitar is a little too long. I'll have to figure out a solution, but what I'm thinking about is just cutting the headstock and making it shorter. But here's going to be the closet. I think it's coming out nicely, so I need to put a door for the closet and some shelves. Okay, I made some slight modifications to the box, and one of the things is I used to have a bar that goes all the way back there, but then I made this angle because I want to put in a big sink. Yeah, you heard me. I want to put in a big sink. The guy who does the little micro sinks. So over here, all right, so on this side, what I did is I cut a hole to access that drain hole, and I actually installed a bulkhead right there so that I could drain the sink. And if you're wondering why the hole is so stinking big, yeah, I made some bad measurements. But it's okay, it's gonna be covered anyway. So I got the shelves in, and I got the coat rack. Yeah, they're different colors, but that's all I had. So I was thinking about putting a closet door, but I don't think I actually even want a closet door. It's just, you know, not a whole lot of room to move around to open and close a door, so I'll probably just leave it like this. And that's it for the cabinets. Next up, I'll have to do the counter. Here's a look at what it looks like from the inside. So I almost forgot, I have these little screw plugs that I got to plug up these holes. And I'm gonna plug up all those, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Here's before, here's after. You could see, I think it looks significantly better. So I'll leave a link in the description for these little plug things for you if you're interested in something like this. It'll save you a lot of effort if you don't want to paint and you don't like the way those screws look.